Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar Sahu. Today we will discuss while loop with example and how it's internally work. So yesterday we have discussed what is looping. Looping means what? Looping is in nothing but a block of statements executing repeatedly until the conditions returns false. So this is looping, and we have discussed different types of loopings are there, such as for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So yesterday we have discussed for loop with example. So today we will discuss while loop. The basic syntax of while loop is while, then test condition, open curly braces, statements, then increment or decrement, then close curly braces. So basically this is the syntax of a while loop. Now we will see one example. Suppose I want to print 1, 2, 3. Suppose in this type. So if a user will input 5, means it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose user will input 100, means 1, 2, it will print 2, 3, 4 up to how much? 100. So I will write the program in dynamically. So first of all we will discuss one line one after another. First, hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. Already we have knows. These are what? Header files. Then void main function, we know it is the beginning of the programs. Then here I have declared one variable int n. I am I declared here n because a user will input a value. How means, suppose user will input 10, means it will display from 1 up to 10. So dynamically as per the user requirement it will print. That's why I have taken here one variable. Then clr scr, we know this clr scr function is used for clear the screen. Then printf, enter the value for n, then scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. Already we have known printf function is used for write purpose, and scanf function is generally used for what? Read purpose. Then here I have declared again one variable I value how much now? 1. I have declared I is one variable and assign the value 1 to the I. Now I have checked the condition. While I less than equal to n, I means how much? 1. Suppose a user input here 5. Suppose here n value is 5. While I means value how much? 1 less than equal to n means how much? 5. 1 less than equal to 5, condition true or false? True, means it will execute the line. First of all it will print 1, then I plus plus increment. Now I value how much? 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now again it will goes to the while condition. Now I value how much? 2. 2 less than equal to 5. Yes, true, means this up to the block of statement will be execute. Then the I value will be, it will print 1, then 2, then I value will be increment as 3, and now I value equal to how much? 3. 3 less than equal to 5, condition satisfied, means again this condition will be, and the block of statement will be executed. Printf percentage d up and means 3. Okay, now I value how much? 4. I equal to 4. 4 less than equal to 5. Yes, condition test satisfied, means it will print the value. Okay, so 4. Now I plus plus 5. 5 less than equal to 5, it will check the condition. Yes, means it will be print 5. Then I equal to, I value will be increment 6. So 6 less than equal to 5. 6 less than equal to 5, condition true or false? The condition become false, means it will directly jump to the out of the program, and it will print 1 2 3 4 up to 5. So this is one simple example for while loop. In the next session we will discuss do while loop with example, and we will discuss what is the difference between while loop and do while loop. So thank you for watching this video.